Traders, good day. It's August 9th, 2018. After the market closed, it's a Thursday. Going to report on ticker symbol CELZ. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit the site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ticker symbol CELZ, Creative Med Technologies. What it has been doing the last few days, it's been trailing down, and I was a little uncertain about this area. Remember, I told you guys, this is the downtrend, this is the uptrend. We see lower highs over here, and we see this resistance level. It looked like a fake over here, but the resistance came through. However, for support, it bounced below this throughout the trading day, but by the end of the day, formed a hammer with some volume. This could be support moving forward. The channel is narrowing down. It's getting more narrow. You see this right here? Just getting closer and closer and closer. So it looks like it bounced off the uptrend right here. And you know what? Looking forward, it doesn't actually look too bad as a buy point at this level. If you get in this position, is my opinion. Obviously, I'm not recommending anything, but it's just a little bit above 4 cents. The low today was about 0.0325. If you plan to get into this position, this might be a good trade. You know, obviously it has some stop orders. Maybe place a stop order at like 3 cents. Give it about a penny risk. You look at about 25% or so in risk in general. However, if it does break through this resistance level, we could look for a new high in the near future. Let's see what happens moving forward. I'm actually excited that it rebounded and formed some type of support here above the uptrend moving into tomorrow. So this could be a very interesting play into tomorrow before the close, prior to the weekend, and maybe even possibly all into next week. Remember, follow me on Twitter. This is Zelman. You can follow me at Trading Teacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.